This is cool. You can like kind of see it.
I fuck up your ride, man?
Nah, you're all good. I'm just getting a video going up of the view going up and down.
Oh, there you go, buddy.
Nice shirt, by the way.
Thanks, man.
It's always a good movie. Y'all have a good one.
You too, brother, man.
If anyone was wondering, he had the McLovin fake ID on his shirt. Oh, that's cool. I like that. The little mural they put there. Oh, sorry.
No. Are you going down?
I'm just getting a video of the view out.
Oh. Cool.
Sorry.
No worries. That was actually pretty, yeah. That's perfect timing. Normally I have to stand up there and wait forever.
They could have made this a little more like easy to see out.
Yeah, it's pretty dark. It's pretty murky.
Yeah.
Well, I think there's like
It's kind of like
big
reflective
windows on the
outs-
other side,
yeah.
I think. Or
Maybe
not
they probably
big
don't want you
windows,
to.
they're
They probably don't want
windows,
you to
but-
see it because it ruins the theme.
Yeah, maybe.
Take care.
You too.
Oh look, I didn't even notice that. That's like a window there.